Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu. So today ngithanda ukukhuluma, right? If a lot of people who know me and who know my content go YouTube, mina, I started as somebody who was doing entertainment, which is umgosi gossip, right? But even with my gossip, I was one who did not want to go deep because mnganginaleyo nto ukuthi ish. And there came a time in my life where people who followed me from then, they would know and they will attest to this. I would make a video and feel bad. There was once upon a time where I left YouTube like for like a year. I stopped creating content. I stopped doing anything because ngangi feel like this is not me. Entertainment, it's not me. Something is not right. And mangiceda ukukhuluma ngomuntu, I would feel so bad ukuthi probably lo muntu uyolala, go to bed, azwe ubuhlungu ngenxa yami. And I felt ukuthi no, this is being evil. This is not me. Till I discovered ukuthi nginesipho sabantu abadala. And njengoba nginesipho sabantu abadala, that's why it's not even allowing me. I did not understand, because I remember even when I found out ukuthi nginesipho sabantu abadala, I continued with the entertainment. So I did not understand ukuthi why, and abantu abadala bathi no, we're not saying you should not be on YouTube. You should not create content, but create a content that builds people. Create a content based on your experiences, based on what we teach you. Now, njengoba ngiyenza i-content yabantu abadala or about ancestors, I shy away from speaking about abantu noma izinto zabantu, noma umsebenzi wabanye abalaphi, because I don't know their journey. I don't know them from first hand, and it's easy to speak about somebody ngento ongayazi, then you destroy them. Ngike ngayenza ngasho i-video ngathi what you think you know till today, it's not the truth. The person that you are today does not mean you'll be the same person next year. You're gonna change based on experiences, based on teachings, based on your discoveries and everything. That's why we grow each and every time, because we are spirit. We are meant to experience and grow. Now, there's a comment from somebody here on YouTube that was so disrespectful. I was gonna actually put that comment here, but I deleted a comment here. Now, but no, good thing I deleted it, because I don't want drama. I don't want drama. Bantwana betongo. Apparently the person was saying ngithanda attention, khuluma ngento engayazi. And that person commented on that video where I spoke about amanzi, ukuhlonipha amanzi, and I spoke about iphupho mina ngaliphupha, right? And I'm like, this person uthi I'm trying to get famous ngephupho lam, something that I experienced, and ngiyekele amanga, and angisisangoma. And I'm like, okay, now the name of the person you're engenze ngibe intrigued, because this person was not user 001 what. This person had a name on YouTube, which is what spiritual what. Then I'm like, okay, une babizan nibizan ilogo, nibizan profile picture. I'm like, okay, let me check this person out. This person uyinyanga uyisangoma, creates a content yabantu abadala. And I'm like, bruh, like, why would you do that? Social media has become toxic because people want to feel ukuthi they've got power by discrediting other people. Mina accepting my gift, I did not accept it because I feel ukuthi ngiyinyanga enkulu, I want to be feared, I know it all. In actual fact, I don't know it all. In actual fact, anginawo amandla. Mina anginamandla mina. You know, mina ngibiziwe and ngiphathisiwe. And I don't want this gift to get into my head, because we seeing a lot of people ama-gifts wabo getting into their head and thinking that they are untouchable. I'm not inyanga to talk about masiyendumbeni shaya gadla. Mina ngithakathi. Let's start there, angithakathi. And iBhayibheli lithi ubuthakathi bucala ngeso, uyabona. You see me, you see my content, thakathi buqala lapho. Then uyazibuza ukuthi ubani lo. Then iyenhlizweni kwakhe inhliziyo embi, noma kakheke inzondo, noma kakheke umoya. Masuqedile ngenhliziyo yakho bese kulandela isenzo bese uyathakatha. Mina I still say till today, mina if my gift requires me ukuthi ngithakathe noma nginqole, sekungathiwa ukuthi ngiyafa, ngineyingane ngizalile, kodwa kwathiwa ukuthi ngiyafa because of I refuse, I'd rather die ngishiye ingane zami. That's I'm telling you now, I'd rather die mina lo. Reason why I took time to answer my calling, it's because mangibona ubunyanga, bengibona ubuthakathi, bengibona ukunqola, bengibona abantu abanenhliziyo ezimbi. You understand? So that's what I saw, and that's what I refused to be a part of. That's what I refused to be associated with, because that's not me. Akusi mina. Angidalelwanga mina inhliziyo embi, angidalelwanga mina umona, angidalelwanga mina ubuthakathi. And when my ancestors showed me the lights, and they showed me what they want from me, and they showed me ukuthi they don't even want ubuthakathi, but they hate it. And ugogo wathi, you hate it not because of you, but you hate it, it's because abantu hamba nabo thina asikuvumi. Ingakho umuntu azothi, hey, unenhliziyo encane, kanti akanenhliziyo encane, ilabantu ahamba nabo banenhliziyo encane. You understand? So I'm not here for fame. I'm not here to get customers. I'm not here to say I know it all. I don't know it all. I don't know it all. But I was so disappointed by that comment. And I was like, I don't want to see myself going back and forth saying ngimposta nayang posta sesiyalwa sesiyatrend. Some things are just for publicity. Some things, that's why about it good or bad, even bad publicity, it's publicity. Because abantu, they create beef, they create izimpi, they create drama because they want it to catch momentum, and they want to be known, and they want to trend. And I'm like, I can't give people airtime. I can't give people airtime. Can't give people abafuna ukutrenda ngami. That's not me. Akusi mina loyo, you know. But yeah, so the people who've been supporting me, learning till this far, ngiyabonga. uNkulunkulu anibusise, amadlozi wenu anibusise kwande, kukhanye niphumelele kulo nyaka omusha. Niziphatheni kahle, protect your gift.